Hey guys, it's Jessica from expressionsvinyl.com, and we just got done going to Silhouette Summit in Hawaii, and I want to show you firsthand what it's all about. Silhouette Summit is where Silhouette America releases all their new products, so it is worth the flight. Even the airport is gorgeous. We were greeted with fun signs at the hotel and even a sand sculpture. At registration, we got the cutest pineapple towels, and our view from our room was absolutely amazing. The next morning, we even got ice cream for breakfast. Now it's time for the fun to begin. We go in the conference room, and at our table, we get even more goodies. Of course, pineapple, and they're adorable. It's time to get into all the new things. First up is the print and cut.
Engineering lesson, because inside the craft are paper gears that makes the toy craft operate. We've evaluated multiple cutting systems and multiple software solutions, and we were very attracted to Silhouette because of the precision of the cutting. Some of our crafts require a lot of detail. The Copernicus wheel, for example, the gears have to be precise, or the gears won't mesh and operate correctly. And also our confidence in the research and development capabilities that Silhouette has to create a software solution that would tie it all together. The Canon printer and Silhouette cutter and software solution that we're proposing is a safe, easy, and achievable makerspace that can be implemented in the classroom.
While the print and cut feature is not new, Silhouette is teaming up with Canon, which is awesome. Sorry for the blurry picture, but here is a list of all the fun new features coming.
Select our image and click Puzzle Selected Shape. And for the sake of the people at the back, we'll just increase the thickness of our line. And we've got the puzzle generator. As easy as that. Bring a design in, click Puzzle, done. Of course, we want to make it a bit more flexible, a bit more powerful. So you've got sliders to change the number of pieces, both rows and columns. You can use the sliders or the arrows. We've got the ability to change the curvature on your shapes, which we can just toggle on and off. Moving on from that one, I want to talk about warping. We go to our warping panel, which many of you will be familiar with already, and go to the Warp Templates tab. Warp Templates make warping quick and easy. We've already made it super powerful, but what we want to do is ensure that all of our users, even the newest users, can warp at the click of a button. So all we need to do is select a warp design, and it will warp anything, text, image, any design, just like that. And if you change your mind and you want a different one, you just click on it. But that's half word art. The other thing you want to do is be able to change your text live. So let's double click on our design, and then we can actually edit it live. When you purchase a font, you have the option of purchasing it as a commercial use font if you're going to use it in your own products. And we've had many requests to be able to show you which fonts are personal use and which are commercial use, and to make it easy. We've got the font panel up on screen already, and if we zoom in a little bit, what you'll be able to see is that your commercial use fonts have a little dollar symbol next to them. We thought it should be a pound symbol, but apparently that's not so well known. So we've got a dollar symbol next to every font that's commercial use, so that you can easily identify them. If we hover over the icon itself, it will tell you which license you purchased, whether an unlimited number of items or ones or 100, or whatever your purchase is. Right, if you'd like to have a seat, and we've got a standard pen but also a calligraphy pen if you'd rather, and can I ask you to just have a go at filling in the uppercase characters on that font creation sheet for me. Let's go through the uppercase ones just for now, for a moment. You can do it as detailed or as quickly as you like. And as Terry's filling that in, I'll just explain again. It's working up there, so that's fine. So as Terry fills this in, those guidelines make sure that every glyph you make is the right size. It shows where a capital letter should go to the top of, and where a lowercase letter like a G that goes below the line, how low it should go. So you can create a really easy design in seconds. And Terry is actually powering through this, which is fantastic.
There's a lot of people.
Actually, not pressure at all. We were thinking about getting the Jeopardy music just to put the pressure on a bit, but decided that would be a bit mean. Okay, now that we've got those, can you see the exclamation mark there just after number 9? Can you just do a smiley face or something for the exclamation mark? Brilliant, thank you. So far, Terry, was that easy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Except for I spelled my name.
Well, that's fine. Okay, all we're going to do now is scan this in and switch back to our software so you can see what else is involved. So we've got a scanner just hidden underneath here. And Terry, if you'd just like to look up at the screen again, all we need to do, having put our sheet into a scanner, is choose the correct scanner and hit Start Scan. This will take a moment and I'll talk you through what it's doing. Firstly, it's going to actually, the scanner itself is going to kick in and actually do the scanning process. So we're going to hit Start Scan, and it's transferring the data. This is the first process, as the physical scanner's processing the image. And then once that's done, it's just going through the image that's created within Studio, so you don't have to go out to any scanning software or anything. Stay within Studio, and it's going to just be tracing this font in the background and turning it into a digital font. And Terry, does that look like your handwriting? Easy to use? Brilliant.
The cutting mats also have a new look, along with numbers on the outside instead of the inside. There's a new craft blade I want to try out, and also new glitter vinyl that's adhesive and it has a texture to it. It is so pretty. To go along with that glitter vinyl, you're going to need some strong tack transfer tape. I also can't wait to get my hands on these doming sticker kits. They're adorable and you can personalize whatever you want.
Custom sticker. You can then apply epoxy resin, which is placed in a mixing syringe for easy application, onto the sticker surface. As the resin is pushed through the syringe, it is mixed so it can begin to cure and harden. After letting it sit for a bit, you have a clear, raised dome surface on your very own custom sticker.
So if you've been following Silhouette Summit, you know that they introduced the 3D printer last year, but it's finally ready to sell, I believe, this summer.
What you can do is you can create an object, create a series of rows and icons, but have really precise control over how you draw things. And that's the complex that sits next to
Hats and hair. We allowed you to customize it. So let's start by giving the bride some clothes and some hair. We'll go for bun hair, and if we don't like it, we'll just drag over some half up or ringlet hair, whichever one we want. Click, drag, done. Easy. Let's give her a veil as well. We'll give her a dress. We've got a few different skirt and top options. I have no idea what the difference between A-line and mermaid skirt and halter neck and sweetheart. I should know, I don't. Jordan, thankfully, doesn't even need to know. All he needs to do is drag some in. So I'll let them pick. We're going to go mermaid skirt and halter neck top. And just like that, you've got a cake topper with the bride wearing the dress that she's wearing, not the one that the shop thinks she should be wearing. The groom probably needs some clothes as well, so let's give him some hair. Give him a jacket. We'll either go jacket with tails or without. You've got both options. We'll give him some shoes. And we should probably give him some pants as well, so we'll do that. Or if we decide we don't want him in trousers, we can give him a kilt instead. Why not? But aside from the fun of design, and I hope you'd agree that it is fun, this is customization. This is your design made for you. If we go back to the Snap Kits folder, you'll see we've got dozens of different Snap Kits, all of which can be customized with different options to make the design you want, not the design that Thingiverse thinks you should have. Nothing wrong with Thingiverse, it's just not as powerful as what we've got.
There are so many things you can print out yourself, but I am wondering, do you see yourself using this? Let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, this was my absolute favorite part. New machine colors. This one they called the Blush Edition. It's a sparkly light pink.
I'm gonna take a pic of my friend.
This one is the Aqua Edition, and it is a light blue with glitter. Electric pink. This one also has glitter. This one is slate. It's a glitter gray, and it was my favorite in person. Now these are prototypes and they could change, but tell me which one you would choose.
Isn't that pretty?
That wraps up Silhouette Summit 2018. Tell me below which is your favorite new product. Thanks for watching, and thanks so much Silhouette for inviting us.